All right, what I would do if I was trying to get this metal piece out of there to use in another set of tires, like my paddle tires, I know these are gonna strip out very soon. So I wanted to have some sort of option that I could fix it. I was thinking maybe melting this to this or maybe epoxy. So I'm pulling these out. Okay, once I got that, I'll flip it. We're gonna go in here. You get it cleared out like that, you'll be able to just go get my hammer. Boom. Clear that out. Put it over. Take your crescent wrench. Pull it out. Throw your tire down. There we go. I think that's it. One more and we should be good. Boom. And that gives you another piece. It should give me 4 pieces to where now I can take these and somehow get them in here like that, and I'll be able to take any unit I want. Gonna go in here like this. And now the other one I use just a little less. And that thing ain't going anywhere, man. It's just not. I might put another little coat around here. But yeah, these paddles are definitely usable for any RC now. Peace out.